The purpose of this module is to present the NPR radio transceiver MPT HC, showing the available ports, the identification label, and the polarization change procedure. The MPT HC delivery package usually contains an MPT HC with a solar shield and cobox, a bag containing some useful plugs, nuts, and screws, and warning stickers for electric and magnetic field EMF emission, which are put on the MPT and the antenna. To identify the MPT HC type, frequency band, and channel, take a close look at the label in here. You can see the part number, the covered transmission frequency range in megahertz, the supported shifter, and the TX sub-band. To remove the solar shield, release the 2 screws and take it out. To remove the cobox, unlock the hook, then take it out. Then you can see the available traffic ports on the device, including 1 electrical Ethernet port and 2 cages to house optical SFP modules. This cage is used for data, while the second one is used only in case of radio protection switch, or RPS. Moreover, you have an N-female connector for power delivery by means of a coaxial cable, as well as a maintenance port that is used to connect the LEMO cable during the alignment. To insert the LEMO connector inside the maintenance port, make sure that you align the 2 red dots and push until you hear the click. Use the banana plugs on the other end to connect the multimeter. On the back side of the MPT HC, you will find the RF port. Be careful. A waterproofness tape is glued on the waveguide of MPT. It must never be removed. By default, the MPT HC is V polarized, as the letter V on the disc is aligned with the marker dot. To change MPT HC polarization, use an Allen key to unfasten the screws and take them out. Then, rotate the disc to the H position and fasten the screws. A grounding point is present on the MPT HC to connect the earth cable. Use the plugs delivered with the MPT to construct the grounding cable. Warranty seals are also attached. Be careful. The warranty is void by removing them. To conclude, 4 hooks are present to fix the MPT HC to the coupler or to the antenna.